Hi, welcome everyone for Leaf and Petals. Today we are going to see how to plant Aglaonema ruby pink in a pot. Now we are going to inspect the plant for any of the damages in the foliages or in the root systems. The main enemies for these plants are snails, slugs and root rotting problems. So while selecting the potting mix, we have to be very careful and cautious about the drainage of the potting soil. It's very important and crucial. Now let's see about the potting mix. In this potting mix, I have added perlites. The white things are present here is called as perlite. Then I have added some red soil, more of sand because the soil has to be drained very fast. So it should be added more of sand and some cow manure or any of the manure which is available. Maybe there is a compost mix you can use for this type of soil preparation. This will be good for this plant. Let's see what are the things I have mixed with the soil. You can see now this cow dung which I have used is very hardened and it has been dried for more than 1 month. This will be very good for these type of plants. Any plants, if you use cow dung, it should be dried very well. As I have selected smaller plant, we have to choose smaller pot because the smaller plant root systems are very tiny and very small. So if you select a large pot, the water will be remain more moist for a longer time and the root will get rotten. So we have to choose right pot for the right plant is very necessary. Yes, to cover the holes, I have used the green mesh sheet because this is available for me. You can use some pebbles also to cover the holes from soil to spilling out of the pot through the holes. Now we have to fill the pot with the potting mix which we have prepared. Make sure that the holes is not fully covered and it should be very drained. Don't block the holes. Now we are going to keep the plant holding steady and we are going to cover the root systems. Don't fill above the leaf area because it will be get rotten very fast. So there is a space between the stem and the leaf, separation should be there. So be careful, don't fill over the leaves, just fill up to the stems. Now we have successfully potted the plant and next step is to care for the plant is very much important. So we have to keep in the low shaded area where we will not get the direct sunlight, and we have to keep this plant little moisture, not too much watery because the roots are very small and it will take time for new growth. As you find new two leaves, then you can use more water and fertilize. Before that, don't fertilize. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe and share with your friends.